How to make a PDF non-editable? Today, we're exploring 3 powerful ways to secure your PDF files using SwifDoo PDF. Let's dive right into our first strategy, restricting access by password protecting your documents. To begin, simply double-click the SwifDoo PDF icon on your desktop to launch the software. From the main dashboard, you can click Open to browse your local folders, or simply select a document from your recent files list. Once your file is open, navigate to the Protect tab at the top and select the encryption feature. Inside the configuration window, check the box labeled Permission Password to unlock the security settings. Now, go ahead and input your desired password into the designated field. For maximum security, remember to build a strong password by combining letters, numbers, and special symbols. With your password set, you can now fine-tune exact restrictions for printing, alterations, and content extraction. Finally, decide whether you want to permit or restrict text and image copying. When you're satisfied with your security layout, click Apply. Just like that, your document is fully restricted. A notification banner confirms that unauthorized editing has been completely disabled. Moving on to method number 2, converting an interactive, editable PDF into a flattened, uneditable image format. Let's open a feasible form sample. Head over to the Convert tab along the top panel and select PDF to image. In the Export Setup window, customize your preferences by setting the page range, desired image resolution, and your preferred output format. Next, select your target output path from the Destination drop-down menu to choose exactly where your new file will be saved. Click the green Start button to begin the conversion. SwifDoo will swiftly process the file, displaying a completed status upon success. To lock this file permanently, head back to the Start interface, click Create, and choose from Image. Re-import your fresh image file to generate a brand new, completely uneditable PDF document. Finally, let's look at method number 3, directly flattening a PDF to lock interactive form fields natively. Working with our open interactive file, navigate right back up to the Convert tab, but this time, click on the Flatten PDF option. Confirm your chosen output folder directory once more, and then click Start to initiate the native flattening process. Give it just a brief moment. SwifDoo PDF will handle the rest automatically, turning all of your interactive checkboxes and input elements into clean, locked text fields. Thanks for watching.